Jesse Cantrell here at the Nintendo booth to give you an in-depth look at what's going on inside. We got games, and a lot more. Let's check it out. Putting all this together was a lot of work. I mean, just look at all this cool stuff. We got Super Mario 3D World behind me. We got Pikmin 3 over there. The Legend of Zelda, The Wind Waker HD. Mario Kart 8, I mean, there's a little something for everyone. Nintendo set up over 70 Wii U stations, and it's a good thing because the demand is pretty high. There were dedicated Nintendo 3DS stations as well, showing off the latest Mario and Luigi, Yoshi, and Zelda games, which had a particularly long line. And as you may have noticed, there are these awesome feature areas. I mean, people have been posing it up all day long. All right, I got a warp. These statues were made in close partnership with the teams from Nintendo of America and Nintendo headquarters in Japan. They even took some pictures as they built. The Nintendo booth really is magical this year. I mean, it makes you feel like you're actually in the game world. See you all soon right here at e3.nintendo.com. Thanks for watching.